There's number 4, Narvasa. Pass to Ritwas for the victory. No good. Security rebound by Machado, but there's no whistle. All committed by jersey number 0, Ritwas. That is first foul, first team.
Sama yan. Patay limo pa lang.
There's number 6, Trinidad. Against Ritwas, corner pass, Hungria, bounce back to Santiago. Puts it up for the first no good. Fighting for the rebound. Now there's number 7 for the putback. Is good. Score 5-2. 5-2 nating grand para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Ritwas, pass to Narvasa, jersey number 4. Back to Ritwas. Slice the middle corner pass. Mahana for 3. No good. Arroz, babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tugtugan. Jersey number 11, Palomares. Looking for Hungria, baseline drive. Bounce pass, intercept, and Mr. Pahano parks to Narvasa, jersey number 4, 8 minutes and 38 seconds to play. Jersey number 4. Intercept, Hungria. Pass to the jersey number 6, takes it up, no good. Jersey number 0, Ritwas Jr. Pass to Narvasa, crossover move. Jersey number 4, slice the middle, hits the middle, no good. There's number 4, Narvasa, Andrew Pino. There's number 27, big pass, corner pass. There's number 3, corner goes no good. And pass for the game of the score 9-2. 7 minutes and 15 seconds to play. Palomares pass to Hungria, hesitate move, corner pass. There's number 6, makes a run. Bumping. There's number 7, follow by shot. Just score 11-2. 11 to nothing. Illegal kick. There's a number 57, Mr. Bennoy. That is first foul, 13 foul. 10 minutes, 6 minutes and 52 seconds to play. Under 7 minutes to play. There's a number 6 Trinidad. Bounce pass to Ubial. There's a number 0, bounce pass. Almost intercept. There's a number 6 down the lane, big pass, gets it good. Yeah, and there's a number 27. 5-second shot clock, 5 seconds to shoot. There's a number 6 corner pass, and there's a whistle.
Gusto mo na lang yun. Pare, gusto mo na kayo
Mr. Fajardo.
Asay na yun, no?
While number 2, jersey number 12, score 11-3.
Namahamon ko sa pagkakata, sa 3.
Number 0, Zita Dominique, pass to Palomares, corner pass to Mercado, back to Lugia, Pitino on the shot clock. Out of bounds, single.
Kakatabi ko na
12-second shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot. Corner pass to Lugia, missing jumper, no good. Fighting for the rebound, high rebound by jersey number 4, and pass that 6-second move. Almost intercept, corner pass to the pass for three, no good. Lewin jersey number 7 this side, pass to 9, pass to Randy Palomares, leads it up, masyado malakas. Lewin release ng Bernabe, pass to Adriano, jersey number 3, down the lane, puts it up, wala pa rin. Jersey number 0, pass to Marina, dips it through, no good, get it so nice, still no good, but jersey number 4, intercept jersey number 0. It's a rumbling violation. Substitution. Substitution.
Libo na, lagi 1,000 natin.
Jersey number 4. Pass to Guas Jr. Down the lane and inside pass. Jersey number 7. Pass to Ryan Valenzuela. Lifts it up. Nice man. Jersey number 4. Across over Mo down the lane. Lifts it up good, but there's a whistle. Foul going to be jersey number 7. That is first foul, second team foul. Substitution.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yan. Dito ko lang. Si Atong. Pwede po strike na lang. Pwede. Ito ba si Atong, boss? Atong.
It's good to go to substitution. Jersey number 8, Luena, pass to Cruz, jersey number 9, 5 minutes and 5 seconds delay, corner pass to Luena, jersey number 8, cross pass to Valenzuela, big pass, jersey number 19, another jumper, no good. Jersey number 28, pass to Fajardo, to Chua Hugo, jersey number 28, throw on the shot clock, for the lead, no good. Fighting for the rebound, now one Mr. Ortiz, jersey number 3, pass to Valenzuela, jersey number 19, down the lane, lays it up, no good, but there's a whistle. Foul to the jersey number 0, that is third foul penalty. Two free throws by jersey number 19, Mr. Valenzuela. It's good, 2 for 2, score 15-5. A 10-point lead, para sa Barangay Tuntuban. Jersey number 24. Pass it to Akugo, 10 on the shot clock against Luena, looking for that peak. It's a pass to Adriano, it's good. Jersey number 19, Valenzuela, corner pass to Luena, 15 on the shot clock, Ortiz, baseline, jumper, no good. Fighting for the rebound, long rebound by jersey number 9, Cruz, spin move. It's a traveling violation. Score 59, down to 6 na naman ang Barangay Tugtugan. Jersey number 8, Luena. Take back, complete, no good. Secure the rebound. Para sa Emiliano. Intercept, jersey number 19, Pastor. Business happening. May kasabang foul. Jersey number 27, 92nd foul penalty. Bonus free throw by jersey number 3, Mr. Peace. It's complete three-point play. Jersey number 24, it was pass to Bernabé. Chichua Pugo, jersey number 28. Deflected from behind, out of bounds, save ball. 17 seconds shot clock, 17 seconds to shoot. Bernabé pass to Chuba, who was jersey number 28, looking for the big slice in the middle. Dipsy do, they stop. No good. Out of bounds, babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tugtugan. Time remaining 3 minutes and 17 seconds to play. Jersey number 8, cross pass to Cruz from the wing 3, no good.
18-9.
Jersey number 28, pass to Nicolas. Jersey number 24, cross pass to Chua. Jersey number 28 to Adriano, turned up shot, no good. And go to rebound. There's a put that back. Jersey number 27, Mr. Bernabé. 2 minutes and 44 seconds to play. Score 18-11. 7-point lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Mr. Luena. Pass to Valenzuela to Sampana. Back to Luena. 14 on the shot. Corner pass to Valenzuela for 3. No good. Fighting for the rebound. Secure the rebound by Mr. Bernabé. Pass to jersey number 28. Slice the middle to jersey number 27. Left the shot. No good. Jersey number 10, Sampana. Jersey number 8, Luena. No look back. Jersey number 19, listen. Jersey number 12, Fajardo. Intercept. Jersey number 8, pass to Cruz to Valenzuela. Third up shot is good. 2 minutes. Pass to Bernabé, jersey number 27. 1 minute and 50 seconds to play. There's a hatching foul going to be jersey number 19. That is first foul, 13th foul. Substitution. Jersey number 58, kick a pass from Fajardo. Hooligan, Mr. Ortiz. That was jersey number 9, Cruz. Pass to Luena, jersey number 8. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. Jersey number 8. Stop the pump for 3. Jersey number 37, Bernabé. Pass to Chua Pugu. To the Twice Junior. Pass to Rani Bernabé. Lays up is good. 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. Pass to De La Rosa. Open under, no good. Pass jersey number 28, Chua Pugu. Turned up shot, no good. Long rebound para jersey number 28, 15 on the shot clock. 1 minute and 5 seconds to play. To jersey number 3, Adriana spin move. Hooligan, jersey number 3, 1 minute to play. Jersey number 8, Luena, same spot. No good. Jersey number 17, De La Rosa to Luena. 50 seconds to play. Intercept, the jersey number 8, Luena. Down the lane, is it up? It's good. Score 27-13. Lumobo na sa labing apat ng alaman. Ang Barangay Tugtugan, jersey number 28. Pass to Bernabé. Masyado malakas. Turnover. Timeout, Barangay Tugtugan. Time remaining 31.4 seconds to play. differential between the game clock and the shot clock. Jersey number 9, Cruz, pass to De La Rosa. Pass to Sampana to Luwena, jersey number 8, hesitate, move corner, pass to Cruz for 3. 19 seconds to play, shot clock is up. Pass around it twice, Ulika. Jersey number 10 for the putback, still no good, but there's a whistle. Foul completed, jersey number 10. That is first foul, warning for a penalty. Two free throws para jersey number 5, Mr. Aquino.
Kami kita mama sa'yo.
It's good, 2 for 2. 13 seconds to play. Shot clock is up, pass it along. There's number 9, Cruz, 8 seconds to play. Pass to De La Rosa, against it was. Almost intercept, 4 seconds to play. Pass to Cruz, number 3. And that's where our first quarter score. 13-15. A 15-point lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Back to the ball game to start our second quarter. Ball possession ng Barangay Tugtugan. There's number 17, De La Rosa. Pass to Sigua, there's number 16. To Juan Swerve, pass to Ortiz. Jersey number 8, pass to Promise to Kino on the shot number 3. No good. It was jersey number 17, De La Rosa. Nice step forward. No good. Behind for the rebound. It was jersey number 77. He got pass to Promise. There's number 24, it was. Pass to Aquino, inside pass, there's number 8, to Planabelle, lays it up, it's good. There's number 17, De La Rosa, pass to Ortiz, 14 on the shot clock, looking for Gomez. 10 seconds shot clock, corner pass to De La Rosa, hesitate, move to Gomez, 6 on the shot clock to Sigua. 4 seconds shot clock, pass Santiago, corner pass to Ortiz for 3. No good. Jersey number 99, Gomez, inside pass to Santiago, tip-up shot, no good. Get it so this, but the putback is good. There's a foul on the jersey number 16. That is first foul, first defense. There's number 24, it was. Against Sigua, 15 on the shot, corner pass to Fajardo. Back to the twice, 10 on the shot clock to Aquino, to Quijano, inside pass to Fajardo, picks it, fire is good. Score 32-19, a 13-point lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Jersey number 17, De La Rosa for 3. Masyadong malakas, but jersey number 12. Instead, Fajardo, stepping on the gas. And there's a whistle, foul, completed jersey number, who's for up? Jersey number 16. That is second foul, second team foul. There's number 24, plus. Pass to Aquino, back to the twice, 8 on the shot to Fajardo for the weak 3. No good. There's number 5 for the putback. It's still no good. There's number 99, Gomez, 52, no good. There's number 12, pass to running Aquino, lefty shot is good. There's number 99 corner pass. Ortiz for three. Bang! Intercept. There's the number 16. Drop pass to Gomez. It's good. Almost intercept, same ball, subdivision. 15-second shot clock, 15 seconds to shoot. There's number 24, plus. Pass to Plano with jersey number 27. Even jersey number 3, pass to Rana Pineda, it's in There's number 24 in class against Sigua. I think I'm going to miss the better by corner pass by Hardo for 3, no good. There's number 29, good put behind. There's number 27, still no good. There's number 27. That's jersey number 6. It's no good, but there's a whistle. Foul with jersey number 12, Bahardo. That is first foul, first team foul. The free throws para jersey number 6, Mr. Trinidad. Second shot, still no good. It was jersey number 12, Bahardo. Pass to Mitwas, jersey number 24, 6 minutes and 12 seconds to play. That's at the first half, second quarter, the Mitwas Junior. Maria Pinasan, jersey number 16 is picked. Oh, this is not good. And the putback still no good. Para Mr. Mercado, it was jersey number 24. Pass to Bahardo, masyado malakas at this game. Jersey number 99, Gomez. Cross pass to Trinidad. 14 on the shot clock. Back to Gomez. 12-second shot. Jersey number 99. Slice the middle. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 24. Pass to the Mitwas Junior for 3. No good. Batting for the rebound. Long rebound para Mr. Gomez. Pass to jersey number 6 to Trinidad. Stepping on the gas. Almost intercepted Santiago for the pass. Gets the basket, make a second foul. Foul for jersey number 24. That is first foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw para jersey number 77, Mr. Santiago. It's complete, triple play. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Score 42-21. There's a number 12. Follow-away shot, no good. High for the loose ball, the one Mercado. Jump ball, same ball. Substitution. Second shot clock. Narbasa, corner pass to Bahardo for 3. There's number 99, Gomez bounce pass to Sigua, hesitates, move. There's number 16, pick up pass to Santiago for the win 3. In and out. Out of bounds, single, substitution. Seconds to shoot. There's number 6, Mason. Inbound, intercept, Indiana, pass running Narbasa, left the shot is good. Here's the number 6, Trinidad, looking for the up and down, against the Mitwas, 12 on the shot clock. There's the number 6, pass to Gomez, 8-second shot clock, how about the P, no good. Iwan Mr. Palomares, pass to Sigma, jersey number 16, pick up pass to the dot, 10 on the shot clock, slice the middle, lace it up and in! Oh, jersey number 12, Alejandro. Got the second down, 13 down. Jonas Bidman para jersey number 6, presented in the back. It's complete dribble play. Jersey number 4, Narvasa. Cross pass to Fajardo. The Bautista for 3 and ball. 3 minutes and 52 seconds to play. Jersey number 99, bounce pass to Malvares for 3. No good. Giovanni Guillano, pass to Cross Junior, jersey number 0. Dipsy Lou is good. Score 45-25. There's number 6 second goal, 14 on the shot clock, pass to Sigua. To Mercado. 8 on the shot clock, pass to Gomez. Against the Plaza, 5 on the shot clock, crossover, move, step back. There's a pushing foul, jersey number 4 in the Plaza, that is second foul, warning for penalty. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Here's number 0, O'Brien. From 3. Here's number 0. There's number 4, Narvasa. Pass to Bautista, jersey number 3. 15 on the shot clock. Corner back to Bautista for 3, no good. 2 minutes and 50 seconds to play. There's number 99, bounce pass to Mercado, it's good. There's number 12, Smith Moon. Now good, but there's a whistle. Foul move, jersey number 7. That is second foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Two free throws para jersey number 12, Mr. Fajardo. It's good, 2 for 2. Substitution. Jersey number 0, Hungria. Pass to Gomez, 15 on the shot against the flashes and pass to Mercado, back to Gomez. Turnover para su Braguet Octubre. Jersey number 11, pass to Juan Junior, inside pass. To Adriano, it's good. 2 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Fifteen on the shot, jersey number 0, Hungria against the pass to Gomez, jersey number 99. Pass to Venezuela for 3, no good. And for the rebound on jersey number 0, intercept, jersey number 4, more to fast break. Pass to Adriano, using the glass, no good. And jersey number 4 for the putback is good. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play.
31-50. 19 points.
Score 15-31 and 19-point lead. There's the number 0, Hungria. 12 on the shot clock. Against the Plaza, looking for Venezuela. 8 on the shot clock. Pass to Gomez. As they move, 3 on the shot clock. There's the number 99. Step up, number 3. There's the number 4, Fajardo. 7 on the gas, pass to Aguinaldo. 15 on the shot clock for the wing 3, in and out. 1 minute and 5 seconds to play. Gomez from deep, no good. And there's a pushing foul, committed with jersey number, who scored up, jersey number 11. That is second foul, warning for a penalty. 15 7 seconds to play. Under 1 minute to play. Intercept. And this is Rudia. There's a number 4, Narvasa Vaz Junior from B. Good, good. Here was jersey number 99. Gomez. Pass to running Mercado. Lacy up is good. 40 seconds to play. Crossover move, jersey number 12. It's to do. Goes in the glass. It's good. 30 seconds to play. 7 seconds separation between the game clock and the shot of jersey number 2, Uria. Looking for the peak. The jersey number 7, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Venezuela. Hesitate move. Jersey number 19. Ball away. Shot is good. 15 seconds to play. Shot is up. Pass it along. There's another 12, Bajardo. Ball away shot is good. 5 seconds to play. Pass it along. And that's the end of our first half. The score 59-35.
Jello.
May line ba? Pinakasin ko yun.
Second half, third quarter.
Medyo ko lang ganito. May nag-inquire na. Kasi iniisip ko pag isa lang, sayang natin.
Ball possession, Barangay Tuktukan. There's a number 8, Luena. Pass to Cruz, 14 on the shot clock with the Rosa. Looking for the open man, 10-second shot, inside pass. Out of bounds, same ball. 7-second shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot. Further pass to Ortiz, 5 on the shot clock. 3-second shot clock for 3, in and out. Here was jersey number 4, Narvasa, pass to jersey number 24, it was. Guadinado for the victory. Bang! Jersey number 8, Luena against the twice corner pass to Cruz, 14 on the shot clock. Pass to Ortiz, it's big move, slice the middle, lays it up, it's good. There's a number 4, Narvasa. Pass to cross corner, pass to Fajardo. Back to Narvasa, 8 on the shot clock, pass to cross, 5-second shot clock. There's a number 4, here's a shot, no good, get his own in.
38-61.
There's a number 8, Luena. High field, big range, jersey number 10. In their set from behind. Jersey number 4. Pass to Benjamin. Jersey number 27. Makes it fire. It's good. Score 61-22 at 19-point lead. Aras Barangay Toktulan, jersey number 8. Pass to De La Rosa, jersey number 17. 12 on the shot clock. Big good pass to Luella, jersey number 8. Bounce pass. 6-second shot clock. Pass to Ortiz. 3-second shot clock. Cleared up shot, no good. High for the rebound. Long rebound by the jersey number 24. Rituas. Intercepted, jersey number 10. Pass to De La Rosa, jersey number 17. There's a whistle, foul committed with jersey number 4, Garfasa. That is third foul, first team foul. Second shot, no good. Give it jersey number 27, Bernabe. Pass to Nicolas. Garfasa, 7 minutes and 35 seconds to play. There's a number 4 for the victory, no good. Out of bounds, Barangay Toktuman ball. There's a number 8 to win. Against Rituas, 15 on the shoulder. Pass to De La Rosa, to Cruz. There's number 9, hesitate move. Kick out pass to Ortiz. There's a number 3, 6-second move. It's a traveling violation. Exactly 7 minutes to play. There's a number 11, Aquinaldo. Speed move, using the big and Mr. Bernabe. Pass to Barrado for the victory. Bam! There's a number 8 to win. Pass to De La Rosa, 14 on the shot off the Cruz. Bounce pass for Cruz. There's a number 3 on the high post. Here's number 9. Intercept, almost intercept. Intercept, there's number 7. No good. And with there's number 9. Cruz corner pass. Intercept, there's number 4. Walang pinasang turnover. Timeout, Barangay Toktuman. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 6 minutes and 14 seconds to play. Score 62-45, a 17-point lead para sa Barangay Toktuman. For the second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's a number 9, sideline inbound. Looking for double line. It's a 5 seconds violation. There's a number 4, Garfasa. Goes in the deep, Mr. Bernabe, take a shot. There's a number 9, pass around Luella. There's a number 17, lays it up, is good. And salvage play, but there's a number 8, and there's a number 17. There's a number 24 for Trey. It's good for Trey, but there's a number 24. Instead it was. There's a number 8, the winner. Against it was. Cross pass on Pana. Top of the key. It's good for Trey, but there's a number 10. Pass to Dubois, same spot, in and out. Pass jersey number 8 to Wena. Big pass jersey number 10. Sampana lays it up, is good. 58 seconds to play. Para sa ating second half, 2 quarters, score 68-40. Jersey number 24, the pass to Chuba, over jersey number 28, 15 on the shot line for the win 3. In and out. Out of bounds, single.
Keeping niya agad. Yeah,
14 second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 28 down the lane, take it up shot. No good. 4 minutes and 38 seconds to play. Maserati De La Rosa lays it up. It's not good, but there's a whistle. Foul with jersey number 24. Got a second foul, second team foul. 2 free throws by jersey number 17, Mr. De La Rosa. Jersey number 58, corner pass, jersey number 12, baseline drive, holding on jersey number 3. Out of bounds, single, subdivision. 11 second shot clock. Jersey number 24, corner 3, no good. And on jersey number 3, Mr. Peace. Corner pass, Lumena for 3. Bam! Jersey number 12 for the wing 3. It's super 3 by jersey number 12. Is that Pajardo? Jersey number 8 has a big move against Nicolas Jr. Jersey number 3, top of the key. It's super 3 para Mr. Ortiz. 3 minutes and 38 seconds to play. Corner pass to the quad, baseline drive. Intercept, jersey number 9, Cruz, pass to Gomez. 3 minutes and 28 seconds play. Corner pass to Lumena, hesitate, move, teardrop shot, no good. Even jersey number 10, Sampana, corner pass, jersey number 9, to on the shot clock. Arwas, babalik ang bola sa Paragita West, subdivision. Jersey number 28, Chua Kuko, looking for the open man. Pass to Rituas, 15 on the shot clock. Lead pass, intercept from behind, jersey number 7, pass to Cruz. To Gomez, jersey number 99. Pass to jersey number 10. Intercept, jersey number 12, pass to Rituas Jr. Lace up is good. Second shot on green pass with some 500 pass to the winner for 3. No good. Even jersey number 27, Mr. Benabe, pass to running with one. Puts it up, is good. 2 minutes and 23 seconds to play. Score 75-55. At 20-20 para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Lace it up para Mr. Rivera is good. Wrong team, hit it out. 2 minutes.
mas magaling pa yan.
There's number 10, Sampana, intercept. And there's number 27. Then a good cross. Almost intercept. Easy pass, it's good for 2. 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. There's number 0, pass to the quad, jersey number 24 against Cruz. Lays it up and in. Make a sub foul. Jersey number 9. Substitution. Jersey number 9. That's first foul. First team foul.
18 points.
Bonus free throw para jersey number 24. Mr. Tuas. 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. There's a number 8, Rowena, sitting on the play. Against it was big move, 12 on the shot. There's a number 8. Easy pass to Mercado. Pulica, there's a number 24. Out of bounds, same ball. Substitution. 4-second shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. There's a number 99, Gomez. Bounce pass and Thiago. Block from behind. Good ball. There's a number 24, easy pass and Chugo Pugo for the Twins is good. Score 77, 61, a 16-point lead.
16 na lang.
43 seconds to play. And on the shot clock. Mid pass and Thiago, spin move. Third up shot, no good. 34 seconds to play. Pass around in the cross. Third up shot is good. 27 seconds to play. 3 back. And the shot, there's a number 99. Spin move. Hesitate move. Hindi nga na kompleto. 14 seconds to play. There's an up this foul. 8 seconds to play. Shot is up. Basa na lang. 3 seconds to play. It's a and that's the end of our third quarter. Score 77-65.
12-point lead.
Para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Ball to central na Barangay Tabit.
Oh, run.
Jersey number 24, Miguel Junior for 3, in and out. Jersey number 7, Mercado, pass to Gomez. Pass to Gomez, jersey number 6. Corner pass to Mercado. Back to Gomez, home on the shot, there's number 99, crossover move, spin move, he could pass Ortiz, 6 on the shot clock. There's number 3, attack the rebound, no good, there's number 24. There's number 99, Gomez. Easy pass, Ortiz, following shot, is good. Score 79-65. Here's number 28, Tulo pass on Tuas. Here's number 28, 10 on the shot, bounce pass on Tuas Junior for Dave, no good. Intercept from behind, nice as the play by Mr. Benjamin. Pass on Tuas, Tulo, turn up, shot, no good. Fighting for the rebound, still no good. There's number 27. Warning for technical for flopping. There's a number 99, Mr. Gomez. There's a number 6, Rinigan, 15 on the shot clock. Yogi Lepi. There's a foul 0. Warning for foul. First team foul para sa Barangay Tabi. 14 second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 6, Trinidad against Benaven. He's a bad jersey number 6, keeping the play. It's good for 2. Jersey number 12, a crossover move, intercept jersey number 99. 3-on-3 fast break. Pulling up from behind, jersey number 28. And jersey number 24, corner pass, Fajardo for 3. Bang! There's number 3, using his ball, take a shot for good. The intercept, there's number 7. Cross pass to Gomez, 12 on the shot clock from deep. Airball. Score 81-17, a 13-point lead, mid pass to Chupapuga, Jacob Shandison. Score 81-17. Down to 11 naman ang Barangay Tuktukan, jersey number 6 Trinidad. Against the Tuas, jersey number 3, Ortiz, jersey number 6, Daniel. Hey, nice it up. Let's go to 2. Jersey number 24, Master Tuas Junior. Jersey number 28, 12 on the shot clock. The jersey number 0, for 3, no good. Jersey number 27, right off the end. Jersey number 6, Trinidad, side step, oh, that's good. Jersey number 28, slice the middle, for shot is good. Jersey number 99, Gomez behind the back wall. Against the Tuas, 15 on the shot clock. Using that big, jersey number 99. Takes it far, no good. Madison release a pass from that playoff for that dust is good. Exactly 6 minutes to play. Jersey number 23, Chupapuga, Anthony Gould, corner pass, jersey number 24 for 3. No good. They went jersey number 27, he's a pass. Oh, this goes it down. Jersey number 69. 7 on the break, 12 on the shot clock. Using that big Mercado. Now the lane is up this gun. That's been great. Mr. Trinidad. Second shot clock. There's a number 53. A crossover move. Teardrop shot. No good. There's a number 99 to Ryan Palomares, 7 on the break, pass to Ortiz. Exactly 5 minutes to play. 12-second shot clock. Corner pass, Palomares for 3, no good. Here went jersey number 12, Fajardo. Stop and pop for 3. In and out. 4 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Go on the shot clock. 8-second shot clock. Pass to Gomez. To Palomares, jersey number 11. 4-second shot clock. Jersey number 3. Up and out. They're no good. There's a foul from the jersey number 7. Substitution. That is third foul. First team foul. Timeout. Barangay Tabi. Nuena, pass to the Tuas, jersey number 0. 15 on the shot clock, pass to the Tuas, jersey number 24, against the Gilad. 10-second shot clock. The lead is up, jersey number 6, Gilad, against the Tuas, Lacey Robinson. There's number 24, crossover move for the other shot on to a Hugo for 3, no good. Jersey number 0 for the putback is good.
76-91. 15 points.
3 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Jersey number 6, straight move. Back pass to Ortiz. 8 on the shot on corner pass to Gomez. 3 seconds violation. Intercept, jersey number 3, Lacey Robinson. Offensive defense by the jersey number 7. Exactly 3 minutes play for the win 3, no good. Intercept, jersey number 7, pass to Nuena, jersey number 8. 7 ball for 3, yes, good for 3, by Mr. Nuena.
76-96-20.
There's a ball committed to jersey number 6, that is first down, second team foul. Pass to Fernandez, Jordan Tuas Jr. from deep, air ball, substitution. Substitution. There's number 0, Ungri. Ivy competing again, Mr. Safana. Corner pass, Venezuela, bounce pass, lays it up, this good. Last 2 minutes. There's number 24, Mario victory. No good. That's jersey number 17. Heading for his teammate. Pass to Ungria. 0-3, 14 on the shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Jersey number 0, lays it up, no good. 1 minute and 25 seconds to play. Jersey number 16 for 3. Cross pass to Fajardo for 3. Exactly 1 minute to play. Pass jersey number 0, Ungria. 50 seconds to play. Foul with the jersey number 24.
Kasi bigay mo yung plus 10. Plus 10.
And that's it, our game. Congratulations, Barangay Tugtugan. They win the game 1 ng ating semi-final.
Tama ka, Mike. Makakagalitin. konti. Okay, 12.